Hey guys, welcome to another property tour here in Pacific Highlands Ranch. Right behind me is a new listing that just hit the market. 2 stories, 5 beds, 5.5 baths, if I correctly remember, just under 5,000 square feet. Let's go check it out. So as you can see, a very quiet street. It's a gated community. Super nice. Love the landscaping too. Gonna make it quick because it's an open house and I don't want to show too many of the buyers, but they did option out to, instead of having a garage over here, this is a full ensuite bedroom. Super nice, clean. You have the washer and dryer right here. And then as you walk in, you have a little water feature right here. Outside patio is right in this area. And then this is the living room. You have a really nice view from the pool. I'm gonna show you the master first. It's a really nice bed frame here. You have a little nook for you to do your makeup or work. Beautiful sliding doors for the backyard. And then this is the master bedroom and also bathroom and shower. What's really nice about this house is it has built-in closet. So as you can see, this is pretty nice, especially for shoes. And then as you walk out, on this side, on the left side, this is right here. So this right here is your backyard. Above ground pool with a hot tub. Really nice and open. And then this is your kitchen. And then there's a bathroom on the left side, right here. And also another room here that could be an office. Here's another viewpoint from the backyard, specifically looking into the house from the pool. And you do have this space right here, the land, but you can't do too much about it. So this is gonna be the area that you hang out. So that was the property tour of this beautiful property here in Vista, Santa Fe. If you are looking to buy, sell, or invest, actually, this was the Highlands. This is not Vista. Vista is up the street. So there's 3 communities here: Palomar, Vista, Santa Fe, and the Highlands. This one is the Highlands, also brand new construction houses. If you are looking to buy, sell, or invest, I know of 3 other properties that are off market in this community, in all 3. So if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest, feel free to contact me. And with that being said, until next video, до свидания.